Lily and Holly were best friends. One day they're playing in the forest, near Holly's house, and they discover an old tree stump. And Lily says, "Oh, let's make a wish." And she wishes for the tree stump to become a big tree once again, with lush green leaves and branches that touch the sky. But when they turn around, they see that it's not just a tree stump anymore. It's also a talking tree. He tells them that to make him whole again, they must bring for magical acorns from the top of Oak Haven, in the middle of the great forest. So off they go on their quest. They meet all sorts of interesting characters on their way, like a family of mischievous pixies who try to trick them, a grumpy troll who demands a riddle be answered correctly or else, and a wise old owl who gives them each a magical gift to help on their quest. With the help of their new friends, they overcome each obstacle and eventually reach the great oak tree in the center of the forest. But it's too tall for them to climb. So Holly has no choice but to use her special ability. She has the power to transform into different animals at will. So she turns into a squirrel and scampers up the tree to grab the magical acorn. But there's a problem. While she's up there, the tree begins to shake. It's very unstable, and when she jumps from branch to branch, it causes an avalanche of acorns. So now she has to find a way to stop the tree from falling apart and also collect the magical acorns. Meanwhile, back at the Pixie Village, Lily learns that in order to save Holly, she must face her greatest fear, the fear of losing her best friend. And she must show true courage to save Holly and the forest. Will she be able to do it? You'll have to watch the movie to find out. This movie is amazing. It's funny and exciting, and it has a great message about friendship and courage. The animation is top-notch. The voice acting is excellent, and the music is unforgettable. I highly recommend this movie to anyone who loves a good adventure story.